Why YouTube automation is not passive income. YouTube automation sounds like a hands-free business, but most people lose money instead of making it. They tell you YouTube automation is a passive income goldmine, but is it really? If you're thinking of buying a YouTube automation course, watch this first. Stay with me because I'm exposing the reality behind this so-called easy income stream. The hidden risks of YouTube automation, why it's not as passive as they claim. 1. YouTube can kill your channel anytime. Demonetization happens fast if you break YouTube's rules. Copyright claims can wipe out your earnings overnight. AI-generated videos are getting flagged more than ever. 2. It's not really hands-free. You still need scriptwriters, editors, and thumbnail designers. Managing content teams takes time, effort, and money. Most people lose more than they make in the first year. 3. Competition is skyrocketing. Thousands of new automation channels launch every day. Without a unique angle, your videos won't stand out. You're fighting for revenue in an oversaturated market. Have you ever thought about YouTube automation? Let's talk in the comments. What works better? How to actually make passive income online. Sell digital products instead of relying on ads. You own the asset, which is 100% profit. No algorithm changes affecting your income. You get paid directly instead of waiting on ad revenue. Use YouTube to drive sales, not just views. Instead of chasing ad money, sell something of value. Let YouTube bring in traffic to your own business. Turn viewers into customers, not just subscribers. Build a system that pays you first. Stop relying on platform rules you can't even control. Own your audience, email list, and products. Get paid instantly instead of waiting for YouTube payouts. My next video, stay tuned, I'm going to be talking about another common trap, side hustles that never scale. Put your email in my website and you'll get a free copy, blueprint. It's a roadmap to success. Any questions? Email me.